Hello and welcome to this Blender tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to make this bloom effect in Cycles. Here we have a scene with a Suzanne and some lightning, and we can see that in Eevee there's this bloom effect. But if we change over to Cycles, we can see that this effect disappears. But how do we get it back? Well, the answer is simple. At the top, go to the Compositing tab, and in the top left, click Use Nodes. Here we can see two nodes, one render output and one composite output. In the middle we can put a node. In the top left, go to Add, Filter, Glare. Put it in the middle. The type set to Fog Glow. For the quality, go to High. The threshold I like to put to 0. The size I like to put up to 9. And for the mix, I like to go with minus 0.95. And now if we render this, we can see nothing, because the compositing is added after the render. So if we wait for the render to finish, we can see that after the render finishes, the glow is added. With the Node Wrangler add-on enabled, Shift and Ctrl click on the glare node to add the viewer. Now we can see in the background what the final image looks like. Now you can play with the settings of the glare node until you're satisfied with the result. With the mix value, you can control how much glare you want to mix into the original image. If I set it to -1, you get 0 glare. If I set it to 1, you get the full glare. The glare filter will only be applied to pixels brighter than the threshold value. I like to keep it at 0 because a threshold-based glare isn't really realistic. But I can see why you would want to play with it. But I like to keep it at 0. But because this is too much glare for a mix of 0, I like to put my mix to minus 0.95 for that really subtle glare. The size value controls how far the glare extends from the original pixels. And this is how you make a bloom effect in Cycles. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.